Hello students, I am Nisha Nair. In this video, you are going to see a brief introduction about the syllabus which you are going to learn in this semester. So, this is your syllabus which you are going to learn in this current semester. There are 7 chapters. Let me have a brief explanation of each chapter. First chapter is about chemical bonding and catalysis, in which you are going to learn about what is chemical bond, types of chemical bonds, structure of NaCl and cesium chloride, then about catalyst, how catalyst is classified and application of catalyst. As we know, catalyst is used to increase the rate of reaction. Second chapter is about concept of electrochemistry, where you are going to learn about Arrhenius theory of ionization, definition of pH, application of pH, then about buffer solution, galvanic cell, standard hydrogen electrode and Faraday law of electrolysis. In this chapter, you are going to learn about how chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. Now, the third chapter is about corrosion of metal and its prevention, where you are going to learn about what is corrosion, how corrosion takes place, types of corrosions, factors affecting corrosions and prevention method used to stop the corrosion. As we know, once a metal gets corroded, it lost its all properties like metallical conductivity, electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, metallic luster. Now, following chapter, fourth chapter is about fuel and combustion, where you are going to learn about what is fuel, then unit of power and analysis of coal, classification of coal and different type of fuels like power alcohol, biodiesel, CNG, compressed natural gas and LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, which is used as a cooking gas and also for transportation. Now, fifth chapter is about lubricants and lubrication. Here you are going to learn about what is lubricants, how lubricant is classified and different type of lubricants. Lubricants are used to reduce the friction between two surfaces. It can be either between the two metal surface or different material surface. To avoid the friction or to reduce the friction, we use lubricants. Now, following sixth chapter is about polymer, elastomer and insulating material, where you are going to learn about what is polymer, how polymer is classified and different type of polymers in classification, and in elastomer, the material you are going to learn about rubber, how rubber is synthesized, different type of rubber, synthetic rubber, and what is the properties of rubber, how properties of rubber can be increased using a vulcanization method. Now, in insulating material, you are going to learn about two types of insulating materials, which are glass wool and thermocol. Now, the last chapter, seventh chapter, is about electrochemical energy source. Here you are going to learn about what is battery, types of battery and different type of cells like lead cell, nickel cadmium cell, fuel cell, solar cell and advantages and disadvantages of solar cells. So, these are the topic you are going to learn in this chapter and these are your syllabus which you are going to learn in this semester.